Hi, welcome to this video. This is part B of question 7. We've been told that if sine theta is equal to a half n plus 1 over n, prove that sine 3 theta plus a half into n cubed plus 1 over n cubed is equal to 0. So this is also another application of triple angle formulae. So what we are going to do when you look at this sine theta to be equal to this, and you have a sine 3 theta, you need to recall this, that sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubed theta. So remember our sine theta is given here, so we are going to replace it here. So this is going to be 3, where we have our sine 3 theta to be equal to 3 a half into n plus 1 over n. So minus 4, then this is also going to be a half into n plus 1 over n, then power 3. So from here, let me expand this bracket. This is 3 over 2 times n. So sine 3 theta is going to be 3n over 2. Then this is 3 over 2 times 1 over n, which will be 3 over 2n. Then minus 4. Minus 4 here. When we apply the cube on a half, we shall get 8. And I put it out, then this is going to be n plus 1 over n cubed. So sine 3 theta is going to be 3n over 2 plus 3 over 2n minus a half. So this is going to be, when you look at this, recall from the double angle, from the binomial expansion, we know that a plus b cubed is the same as a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3b a squared. So now what we are going to use is this expansion to use this, where this is going to be my a and this is going to be my b. So I'll call this to be the a and this to be the b. Right. So this will be n cubed plus 1 over n to the cube power. I'll be having 1 over n cubed, then plus 3 now when I get 3, I multiply n squared times 1 over n, then plus another 3. Now this will be n and the other will be 1 over n squared. Alright, so from here let us write it. Sine 3 theta will be equal to 3n by 2 plus 3 over 2n, then minus a half into, I'm going to multiply a half out here, so to be minus a half, then this is going to be n cubed plus 1 over n cubed, then minus a half and this. Now this is going to be minus 3 over 2 3 over 2. So we have n squared over n, so we remain with n. So it is 3n over 2. Then negative a half with the last term, so this is going to be 3 over n, and now this negative a half with 3 over n will give us a negative 3 over 2n. So we get sine 3 theta equal to, so observe that this is 3n over 2 minus 3n over 2, that goes 3 over 2n go with that, so we remain with a negative a half into n cubed plus 1 over n cubed. So as you see, what is needed, we have already achieved it if we bring this on the left hand side. So this implies that sine 3 theta minus become a plus now when it goes to the cosine, so plus a half of n cubed plus 1 over n cubed will be equal to 0. So this is the proof implying that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, recommend the channel to your colleagues, hit the notification bell, like the video, send the comments, we shall answer. So thank you, let us meet in another video. Still we are looking at trigonometry, so we are going to look at now the factor formula.